I know that what's happening in the market between the US and the Iran as of this current conditions, it's really hard to predict what's gonna happen next. Today in this video, we're gonna be understand that what exactly is happening in the global politics. In today's video, we are going to find out like what should you do in your current investments. This is how the Nifty chart is looking right now at the current scenario as today's date is 15th of March. Okay, so as I'm currently understanding that market is now brutally has broken down on its levels and market is on a new level of its low. If you consider that past year with the same date, where was the market before? So what is gonna happen? Will the market fall again further to the lowest level even more, or will the market go up from here? So what exactly happening? Before we judgment on this, like what exactly will happen next, first let's look at the war, like what exactly is happening in the war. So right now, as we are seeing that, okay, the war is now going on to the 15 days of Middle East conflict. Again, the Trump argues countries to send warships to help secure the Strait of Hormuz. So what exactly is going on? We have seen the world of map, like where the Strait of Hormuz is, and there are a lot of conflicts is going on. Let me just, so at the current scenarios, we can see that they are ready to do some ceasefire in this, but they are not ready to do any sort of negotiable in order to make a deal to protect the war. To how far from the current point of view, if you ask me my personal opinion, that how far this war will go from this point, it's really hard to predict, but it's not a nearby any zone. So it's not gonna happen near. So probably end of the March, that probably we can see what exactly I'm doing right now, and I believe that every retail investor should do. This is not an advice or any sort of recommendation, I would say, but it's more of towards like understanding how I'm approaching this problem. It's a fear thing, it's a fear mongering among all of us, and losses will never let you sleep peacefully. That's what I know, and it's gonna be continued for the next week as well. So we will see some great week upcomingly, and that's what exactly I'm trying to make a point. Don't rush out to FOMO of losing your V-shaped recovery. Just sit in cash, just be liquidate. If you have SIP, keep that SIP continued. Do not break it. No need to be worried about on SIP things. But if you are looking towards stock buying or gold buying or any sort of investments, you want to reallocate your capital from losing stocks or any profitable stocks to any other stocks right now in the condition. So I would say not. If you can sell anything which is already in profits, you can do that, but something no actions for the current scenario, no buying of new equities or any kind of instrument, or no selling of any kind of instrument as well. So this is a freeze on your investments at the right point. If you can sell something to be just in the cash, I would say it's appreciated. It's a good decision from my side, if you would ask me, because I'm doing the same. I'm sitting in the cash right now, just waiting and watching the markets and every geopolitical move right now, what's going to happen next, because these things are really uncertain. What I'm thinking at the point of view, what if at some point, if the oil prices hit to $150 or maybe $200 in the next 15 days, then that will be a huge crash we can see in the markets, and that market will crash like nothing. So this thing I don't want to see in my portfolio happening, that it's falling by 5% or 6% or something that I'm gonna be repeat just like COVID. I don't want to see that into my portfolio, and that's why I believe that okay, let's just sit in cash. Less 10% of gain, but it's always better for me to secure my capital first, then think about the profit that I could possibly make by this downtrend. short. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.